In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update your site's basic and business information and set your language and regional details so customers can find your business online or offline and book your service. Let's start by adding your site's basic information, like its name, URL, and social media info. In your dashboard, go to Settings and click on Website Settings. Start with naming your site. This name will appear on your dashboard and search results. Now, make sure your site address is correct. If it isn't, change it to the correct one. To give a little brand boost, you can do two things. Upload a favicon, the small image on the Browser tab, and upload an image that will appear when your URL is shared on social media. Lastly, enter the Facebook username you want to link to your site. And after you're done, click Save. Next, we'll add your business info, like your address and operating hours, a business description, and I'll show you how to add a logo. This information will appear in places like search results, invoices, chats, and more, and will help clients know when and how to contact you. In your site's general settings, click Business Info. Enter your business name. Then pick the right business category to make sure people find your website while searching online. Now go ahead and type a short description of your business and upload your logo. If you don't have one, you can use the Logo Maker to quickly create a logo and other brand assets all in one place. Go ahead and add your primary business address. You can also add specific directions to your address if you need them. Before you continue, ensure your business address matches the country selection from the drop-down. Typing it without selection might not save it, resulting in incorrect tax rates if the address is empty or from a different country. Now add your contact information like a phone number or email. After you save, if you have multiple locations, you can add more addresses by clicking Add a Second Location. To add your operating hours in your settings, head over to Booking Settings and click Default Hours. Here you can set your operating hours, a work schedule, and set working hours for each staff member. Up next, let's set your language and region details. This helps Wix Bookings adjust your site, like setting the start day of your bookings calendar. Go to Language and Region under Settings in your site's dashboard. Click the Site Language dropdown and set your site's default language. Click the Regional Format dropdown to set your site's region. This ensures that dates and numbers appear in the format of the region you choose. Now, click the Currency dropdown to set the currency you get paid with. This also sets the currency visitors see on your site. Then, click the Time Zone dropdown to set both your site's time zone and the time zone of your business location. By the way, you can set which time zone you display on your site, or let clients choose which time zone they prefer to see. Check the link in the description or article for more. You can also click on the Account Language dropdown to set the language of your dashboard, editor, and communications you get from Wix. Now, just double-check everything is set correctly in the Formats preview window. And click Save. And that's it. A recommended next step would be setting staff permissions to add personnel with specific duties. To learn how to do that, you can click the link at the bottom of the article.